Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this sound is not available on TikTok. So guys, when you have opened your TikTok and want to use any sound and facing this type of issue that sound is not available, I'll help you how to fix this problem and how to use that sound easily. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen and now you have to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to turn off your VPN connection if connected, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, after this you need to open your app store on your iPhone or iPad, and after opening it, here you need to search TikTok, and you have to open your TikTok and update your TikTok app. And guys, after doing update, all the features will be fixed on your TikTok. And guys, after this you need to open your TikTok and check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your main profile icon, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, and now you have to scroll it down, and here is the option of report a problem. Click on it, and after this you need to wait for some seconds. From here you have to click on account and profile and click on profile page, and now you have to scroll it down. Here is the option of others. You have to click on this, and click on need more help. So guys, after this, here you need to write your problem that you're facing again and again, and after this you have to upload a screenshot and click on submit. Within few minutes they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.